Wasingisho. Joriemb Ndigni mopogore opogore nonyiso lony margi kaka wuono thuolo mokwongo korka joma mine nodhi ne piny Eritrea. Thuolo mar ariyo nodhi ne Eritrea ka jariemb ndiga mawuok e piny Rwanda nokawo thuolo mar adek. Jatend migawo mar tuke nopako mokalo joloch ma kawuono ka final mar piem makamano dhi bedo odiechieng' makiny. Piem makamano okelo kanyakla jopiem mawuok e pinje 24 mag Afrika.
In this one, and two teams. If we can join Emmanuel again at the finish line to give us the final second of this one. Sprint finish as they're coming to finish.
A clean sweep yesterday in the junior race. They didn't manage a clean sweep today.
Well, from a ministry perspective, I'm very happy because we received the request a bit late. I'm glad that we managed to sponsor the event, and I'm also glad that the organizers did a good job. The event organizers did a very good job. I appreciate all the other sponsors who have come in, the media, the other support team that has done a very good job. The most important thing is to ensure that we work in the ministry with the federation to raise the necessary awareness, but also we move forward to make sure that we support clubs that are established from the grassroots.